Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Danish Mukrish bin Muhammad Razmi from class DFC10103 with a registration number 01DFC21F1019. We are the sales manager of Kedai Telefon Saya Sendirian Berhad. So first, I will describe the Android and iOS mobile operating system. Android and iOS are operating systems that are largely utilized in mobile devices such as smartphones and tablets. Android, which is based on Linux and is partially open source, is more PC-like than iOS in terms of its interface and basic functionality, which can be customized from top to bottom. The universal design components of iOS, on the other hand, are sometimes considered as more user-friendly. You should carefully select your smartphone and tablet operating systems, as switching from iOS to Android or vice versa will require you to purchase programmers from the Google Play or Apple App Store again. Android is presently the most widely used smartphone platform in the world, with many different phone manufacturers using it. Only Apple devices, such as the iPhone, run iOS. Now, I will explain to identify home screen items for Android and iOS. Let's go for Android first. Home screen. The Android home screen is a screen that can be used to display widgets, app icons, and other information. It is the screen on which you organize the posts on your smartphone. It is similar to a computer's desktop screen. By tapping the home button at the bottom of the screen, you may get to the home screen. Some phones no longer have a home button. Instead, the home screen is accessed by swiping up from the bottom of the screen. Next is multiple home screens. Your phone may have multiple home screens. Swipe left or right to access additional home screens. Next, the favorites tray. The favorites tray is the row of app icons at the bottom of the screen. It does not alter as you go between home screens. It is always at the same place and has the same icons. Although the tray comes preloaded with icons, we recommend that you fill it with the programmers you intend to use regularly. Start with phone messages and camera, as well as one or two other apps that you want to be able to launch quickly. We go through this in more detail later. Last but not least, for Android is Google Search Bar. On many devices, the Google Search Bar is standard. You can use it to search your device as well as the internet. If you can't find an app on your phone, search for it using the app name. If you need to discover the hour of the nearby restaurants, simply type the name into the search file into conduct an internet search. Now, let's go for iOS. So for first home screen items for iOS is wallpaper. Apple provides plenty of high quality wallpapers for your iPhone, which save you the trouble of finding your own. Next is widgets. Widgets are a new feature in the most recent version of iOS. Widgets are small tiles that you may set on your home screen that provide more functionality than a simple icon. Adding a music widget, for example, allows you to see what you were listening to last and get right back into your favorite playlist. Lastly, for iOS home screen items is custom icons. For those familiar with the shortcuts feature, there's one more thing you can do to personalize your iPhone's home screen. Create and use unique apps icons. There will be a small delay as you launch the app via a shortcut instead of directly, especially on older iPhones. However, for now, this is the only method approved by Apple for creating custom icons.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Faisal Bizanuddin with my registration number 01DT21F1144. Today I will teach you about how to managing your apps, folder and widget on your home screen using both Android and iOS devices. So now let's continue.
Okay, first I will teach you how to place app on Android. Okay, first step, you must slide from the bottom of your screen and moving your finger upward to open the app drawer. This might be slightly different depending on what kind of Android phone that you are using. So you must check how to open the apps drawer on your own Android phone. Okay, next you must choose the app that you want to be placed on home screen. For example, I want to place setting apps on home screen. Then you must tap and hold the app until the floating animation started. Now you must bring the app to the top of your screen to exit the app drawer with the app, just like this. Now choose the location to be placed the app on your home screen. For example, I want to place on side by side with music icon. And lastly, release the touch from screen to place an app like this. And then we are done. First, you must go to your home screen and then swipe over and get to my apps library, which is just after your last page of apps. For those of you who have your recently downloaded app sent to your library, they will be available in the recently added section in the top right hand corner. First, locate the app that you want to move to your home screen. And then long press on it until you enter jiggle mode and the content menu appear, where you will see the new option called Add to Home Screen. Just tap on Add to Home Screen. The app you chose will be instantly be added to your home screen. Okay, next we will learn how to place widget on Android phone. Step 1. Long press on any empty space on your home screen. Like this. You may have to find some unused space on one of your screen or press on empty area like between your dock and your add shortcuts. Step 2. This menu will give you a couple of options, but you will want to choose the widget option that be placed on the bottom of your screen between wallpaper and setting. Now, this will open up a full list of every available widget installed on your phone. Keep in mind, not every app will have a widget, so don't panic if you don't see your favorite app here. The developer just haven't added widget support, or the app might not really need it. Step 4. Press and hold the widget you want on your home screen. Tapping it won't do anything, so you want to treat this almost like your app drawer. Pressing and holding will allow you to drag the widget around to try and find a spot for it on your home screen. Keep in mind that widgets have different sizes listed, and you will need enough space on your screen for it to fit. Don't try and put a massive 4x3 widget on a screen that's full of shortcuts. Step 5 and the final step. Once you drop your widget, you might get some customization options. Things like clock might allow you to change what other info or time zone display. And some apps have color and theme options to better match the rest of your home screen. Otherwise, once you release your finger, the widget is set up and ready to go. It's that simple to add widget to Android phone. Okay, now I will teach you how to place widget on iOS. So the first step is you must make your way to the front panel, and then you must swipe to the left side and you will see all these little widgets right here. Just choose whatever widget that you want to put on your home screen, and then just hold down on any of this widget and you will see a couple of different options, but once you let go, you will see that they kind of wiggle around and you will see some minuses and stuff. Now all you have to do at this point is just hold down one of these icons and just drag it over, and you will see that you can pretty much just drag it to wherever you want to, and you can just let it go. And that is exactly how you add a widget to your home screen. Okay, next we will learn how to move apps and widgets between different home screens. Okay, first tap and hold the app or widget that you want to move, like this, and then without lifting your finger, move the app to the border of the main screen until the main home screen switches to another home screen, like this. Next, choose where you want to place your app or widgets, and then after you have decided where to put this app or widget, just lift up your finger to place the app or widget, just like this, and then you are done. Note, this step can be used for both Android and iOS devices because both of these use the same method to move the app or widget to another home screen. Okay, now we will learn how to create a folder in Android devices. Step 1. You must access the home screen panel where the app you want to put into a folder are located. Then you must tap and hold one of the app and then drag it to another app on top of another app, and then just lift up your finger, and this will create a folder with both apps inside. And then to change the folder name, you must tap on the folder you creating before tap on the folder name above the apps, and then you just type whatever you want to be the name of your new folder. Then just click right and then go back to your home screen, and then you can see right here the folder name has been changed to apps. Okay, now we will learn how to remove app in folder on Android. First step is you must tap the folder that containing the app you want to remove to open it, and then touch and hold your finger on the app icon you want to remove until you enter edit mode, like this. When in edit mode, drag the app icon out of the folder border, just like this, and then lift up your finger to place the app outside the folder. Okay, now I will teach you how to create folder in iOS. Firstly, you must go to your home screen, and then what you want to do is tap and hold an application until it starts to wiggle like that. Now you have to drag and drop this app on the top of another app which you want to group in the folder. For example, I want to group this one and this one app together. I will drag and then drop on top of this application, and now you can see a folder is created. If you want to rename a folder, just type the name and then select done, and going up you have created a folder, and then you have grouped the app together in the folder. Okay, now I will teach you how to move apps in folder on iOS. Now first you must go to your home screen, and then you must choose the folder that you want to remove. For example, this folder has 2 apps in it, so you just tap and hold the folder until the app is open. Now tap and hold one of the app and then drag outside the folder border, and then choose the place you want the app to be placed. Now you can see the app has been removed from the folder. Okay, now we will learn how to uninstall apps using Android phone. First thing, you must go to your home screen and then choose app that you want to be uninstalled. After that, tap and hold that app icon. Now, when the option reveal, choose App Info, which is in between Share and Remove. Then the option will guide you to App Setting. Then choose Uninstall on the bottom of your screen between Force Stop and Clear Data, and then click on OK for confirmation. Okay, now I will teach you how to uninstall app using iOS. So what you want to do is, let's say I want to uninstall that trigger. You could go ahead and hold down the app just like this, and you will get into this panel, and you will see Edit Home Screen, Share Apps, and Remove Apps. So when you click on Remove Apps, you will see that you will delete app, remove from the home screen, and cancel. Now, some people will not click Remove App. They will click Remove App from home screen. So if you want to uninstall an app, you want to click Delete App, so you can uninstall it from your specific device. Now click on it and they have removed your apps.
Hello everyone, my name is Kevin Raj from DFC10103. Today I'm going to suggest the best mobile operating system based on my opinion. Okay, Google's Android and Apple iOS are operating system used primarily in mobile technology such as smartphones and tablets. Android is now the world's most commonly used smartphone platform and is used by many different phones manufacturers. iOS is only used on Apple devices such as the iPhone. Well, which is better? In my opinion, Apple and Google both have fantastic app stores, but Android is far superior at organizing apps, letting you put important stuff on the home screen and hide less useful apps in the app drawer. And also Android's widgets are much more useful than Apple's. So that's it, that's my opinion. Thank you very much.